Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm finally going to be installing a front lip on my car. I have been wanting to do this for so long and it's such an easy thing to do and I don't know why I haven't done it. I've been kind of like putting it off. I just would forget, honestly. But I finally bought one and it is one of those cheap eBay, Amazon lips. I got mine from Amazon because the same one on eBay wasn't like letting me check out. I don't know, it was being weird, so I just got the same one from Amazon. It was like $90, so you can't really expect much from a $90 lip, so it is not perfect, and I'll show you guys what it looks like and the little flaws it has. So I might turn this video into a vlog after I install it because I'm pretty sure it's going to be really easy and fast. So afterwards, later tonight, I'm going to be going to meet with some friends, so maybe I'll vlog that if I don't get too shy. So yeah. Okay, so here is the lip. As you can see, it is unpainted, so I don't know if it's gonna look good, but we're just gonna put it on like that. I wanted like to spray paint it or something, but I just don't think it's worth it. I don't know, I just don't think I should do that. Either way, it's a very cheap lip, so I don't really care that much. So it did come with some like, little bubbles. I'm not really sure what that is, or like got, so that definitely has some texture on that. It's a little bit linty. I'm gonna clean it up right now, and it has some right here as well. I can't really see if it's in focus because it's so bright outside. Right here, and it has some right here. It has this little, oh, it kind of came off. And then you can see there's like some scratches along the side right here. So it's just like very little things. I honestly don't mind. I kind of get what you pay for, in my opinion. It also came with 6 little screws. Hopefully it's enough. It's got some tape and the drill.
As the air is on earth.
But I still say they're flowers.
If you like.
Do you sell them?
I'm afraid no.
Mila, you're the one who's lost contact with life.
I'm afraid no. As the air is on earth.
But I still say they're flowers.
If you like.
Hi, my name is Alex. How are you doing? This is mine. FRS 86. Not a BRZ. It's white. Yeah, it's a car. It takes me.
It's a car.
Yeah.
I'm vlogging.
Oh, for YouTube?
Like,
Oh yeah. What's up? My name's Kyle.
Me? Okay, let's go.
What'd you do?
Just look right here.
Oh no.
Oh, I saw it.
Oh no! Bro, dang.
How's it gonna fit?
It doesn't. Bruh. That doesn't. I'm dead. I'm like, oh my god.
Hey, it's a family channel.
Yeah. All the freaking plushes coming out. That one's getting squashed. Help me! We have the same camera, and he just got his. But mine has a flip-up screen.
I feel like a peasant.
And are as necessary here as the air is on Earth.
But I still say they're flowers.
If you like.
You sell them?
That's a park next to Katie Legend.
No one has lost contact with life.
You literally crossed us. Like, it's literally so right. I'm like, what are you doing?
Twins! Oh,
I had it before these ones.
I had the RRs, because I used to go to camping, and after that I just got the RRs.
I had the
Oh, that's baller. BBS room.
Canes.
Sponsorship.
But it has Louis Vuitton. You can't even see it engraved on her other twin. It's a bird.
That homie was there. I'm gonna get the purple NRG Charisma. They have the black, like
I feel this is my first victory over machines.
It's quite simple.
a ticket for tinted windows and I don't have tints. What the fuck? You don't have tints? I don't have tints.
How do you zoom in?
Sorry to
Dude, that guys are fighting. They're gonna come swing at us. They're fighting.
Like, you know him? Yeah, I do. I know him. Yeah, I know these people. I'm famous too.
Dude, like at the...
Look at me, I'm hanging out with famous people. I made it.
She's famous.
You just said it. Who's
You get 500 likes on a stock car. That's famous.
World star.
Okay, go ahead. Call them.
I just want to make chicken.
You don't have a microphone?
Bro, you shut the fuck up! What are you
Shut the fuck up, bitch! Right now!
Why you gotta get out the car?
Well, that little nice little scat pack go bye-bye. Yeah, how? Keep talking, man. So fuck you.
Where's my blade when I need it?
She just Shut up.
Actually, I do, but they're like the little clip ones. I don't have like a big one.
The little fuzzy one? That's disrespectful.
This is a kid's
Linda?
channel.
I just work here.
Hi, and you're watching World Star.
Watch out when you got Germans around you. We're a one punch. Make things up as we go.
Wait. They're filling up over there. It's packed in there.
No, they just took a picture of England. All these people at the beach.
Oh.
They were packed together like fucking sardines. Ridiculous.
Yeah. Oh. Well, we gotta go. Bye. Thank you. Oh my goodness.